What is up, family? Welcome to the vlog number 94, I believe. It is June or something. It is baking out here in the UK. We're setting up for a tutorial, Nathan and I. We're just gonna take you along for the ride today. We've got a really special guest coming and I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm sure you're gonna recognize her. I won't introduce her just yet. We're gonna be doing a couple of things. Do a podcast, a couple of cool skipping tutorials, and those will be separate videos, but we're just gonna vlog it. We're gonna vlog the behind the scenes. So as always, sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Have a look at what we've done to this place, peeps. Cleaned it all up. It probably just looks normal to you right now, but this place is like bomb site just last night. Bit of late night cleaning, hoovering. This is all nice and clean here. We're just gonna set the podcast up here in a sec, as soon as our guest arrives. Peeps, I want to quickly show you something cool before we start as well. We've got this new merch dropping very, very soon. So this is the new RA lifestyle merch. It is all about just comfort, people, man. Comfort, think of like aeroplane clothing, right? This was designed about a year and 2 months ago when we were in lockdown, but really nice, really clean logos, clean feels, nice fabrics. And yeah, I'm gonna share more of this drop soon. It's not dropping, it's not coming out in the next kind of week or so. So we're just gonna take time, post some content, take some pictures. And I think you're gonna love it, man. Really, really nice. These cotton shorts, they're probably my favorite one. We're rocking these like every day this summer. Right, today we're doing today we're doing a 2-minute tutorial. It's in my head somewhere. As always, don't really have notes. I have a little list on my phone and we just tick them off because they're important moves, important kind of skills I need to teach you guys, and also I get a lot of requests from you as well. So we're just gonna put you down here on the side. We're gonna bang this out. Today using this bad boy, peeps. Limited edition, special edition, money rope, performance. This is on the production line, man. We're gonna get this out very, very soon. This is an absolute beast of rope. This is probably the most beautiful skipping rope ever created, man. How was that, bro?
It was 2 minutes.
Bear bugs.
I think it was 2 minutes.
Was it actually 2
minutes? I think it was 2 minutes.
Bro, there's bare bugs here. Alright, 2 minutes tutorial done. It's baking today, isn't it, bro?
It's hot.
It's so hot.
Cameras are overheating after 5 minutes.
Guys, like the UK, and like when the weather's like this in the UK, it's like it's unbeatable. In London, especially, to be fair. That's one tutorial done. Should we do another one? I'm in the zone, man. To be fair, I don't want to get too sweaty before our guest arrives. I haven't announced who the guest is yet. I think we should get one more.
You want one more?
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry about the backup, man.
All right.
We keep it risky out here, man. Is it like a style if I put the bucket hat like this, flick it up? Do people do that?
Do what?
Flick it up at the front.
No.
Oh, nice.
What we say?
Oof. Does suit you,
Ready
man.
for my little holiday, bro, in July.
Suits you.
Some hipster, yeah, bro.
What do you guys think, man?
Some Shoreditch hipster.
They probably Shoreditch. Guys, look how long my hair is. To be fair, they haven't seen my hair this long, right?
Look at that. It's a little mullet going on.
This is what my hair looks like now.
Oh, wild. Wild. Some L'Oreal advert, yeah?
Oi, anyone out there with some shampoo branding connects or something? I'm your guy, man. Does it look mad grey?
Oh, yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah, you're old, bro.
Look who we got.
Hi YouTube, it's Lauren Jumps.
Lauren
with
Jumps.
Rushy,
Lauren
real
Jumps.
life.
Yeah, in real life. Can touch this person right here in real life. She's here at the HQ, guys. This is a special guest that you probably would have seen on the thumbnail. We've got Lauren Jumps here at the home of skipping, and we're gonna create some fire content. We're gonna do a podcast right now, and then we're just gonna take you along with us on this day. I don't know what I'm doing in this vlog, by the way. Listen, man, check her out. I'm gonna leave her details. I mean, to be fair, if you don't know her, you've been living in a cave, or you have Wi-Fi issues, or I don't know what's going on. But we'll do a proper introduction in a second. Let me just go introduce her to the team. What's your first impressions, man? Had a little
It's
tour.
really cool, yeah. I'm really impressed.
Does it look bigger on Instagram?
I think the inside of the HQ looks bigger.
Does it?
Looks bigger here in person.
Still a bit.
Outside, I thought there'd be. I don't know what I thought there'd be more space here.
Yeah.
Because obviously you never see behind the
You
camera,
never,
but
yeah.
it's-
No one wants to see this trash here. So what is the most surprising thing about this place? We talked about the size. What's surprising you about this place?
I'm surprised at how residential it is around here.
How what?
Residential it is around here.
Yeah. We're not industrial out here.
Yeah.
We keep it low key.
Something
about inside.
Surprised at how many boxes there are.
We'll leave it at that. Do you get a lot of hate?
You know what? It's a lot of body shaming online.
Really?
Yeah, with me. Like, I'd say if a post of mine goes viral, it's like
Fuck.
people, yeah,
What kind of stuff are they saying though?
about I'm too skinny.
No.
I've skipped away my hips. I don't have a bum, I've lost my bum from skipping, or, you know.
I would say the one thing that surprised me already in this conversation is knowing that you do everything.
Yeah.
Like, I would have thought you would have outsourced, or the amount of content you put out. If someone asked me, like, yeah, does she do her own videos? I would say 100% no.
Yeah, no, and actually that's something that I think no matter what happens, I think I'll always be protective of, because I'm really particular.
Gangster. That's so gangster.
Wicked. All right, just finished the podcastio. How was that?
Oh, we're on.
So we're back on another camera. There's so many cameras going on here. You do look super tan with this camera, man.
It was good. That was really, really. I can't believe how much time we spent chatting. It didn't feel as long as
it was actually longer than we wanted. The team are going to clear up. We're going to do some stuff outside, hopefully.
Yeah.
You down?
Done.
You're going to teach me some moves?
Get you doing some footwork, a release as well, maybe.
I'm going to get these feet moving, people. Hello. What do you think of the place?
It's really cool. It's huge, and it's actually, even though it's not done, it's quite bright still.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna come down, event party?
Definitely. I'll be there.
Main event. You can sell me some tickets. All right. All right, back at the HQ, people. It is 5 o'clock. Had some Nando's. You enjoy it?
Yeah. I just realised I didn't do a tooth check.
Here you go. Have a little teeth check for YouTube.
All good.
All right, you got nice teeth. Don't do nice teeth. So we're just letting our food settle, and we haven't still at 5 o'clock done any skipping, which is why originally you were supposed to come down here.
Yeah, it's always the way, isn't it?
It's always the way. We're just chatting, and the podcast was sick. Really, really happy with that. We got you some questions, right? Because we did a little Insta. It's not an Insta live, but it's an Insta question thing. All right, here's a cool one. Hey Lauren, what's your favourite rushy trick / move? It's a good question.
I like your 360s.
Do you?
Yeah.
I think your 360s are pretty clean.
Yeah, but I think it's quite stylish how you do yours
like it?
as well. Yeah.
Pick up. That's a nice little answer. Good answer there. All right, another question. This is from Lovely. We know Lovely from Philippines, if you're watching. My 2 first to follow jump inspos when I started in May 2020, so that's just a nice message. Thank you, big up. Here's one. How's married life going for you? we knew this would come up somewhere along the line.
Yeah, it's going well. It's like, it's no different to...
All right, unfortunately,
Life
all the men,
before.
or maybe women watching out there, unfortunately, Lauren is taken. And just a quick one here. Most underrated move. We'll just leave it at that because we'll be here for ages otherwise.
Of mine, or like of anyone's?
I don't know, it's just the most underrated move.
EB swing.
EB swing. All right, maybe you have to show us that today. What's your favourite move? I'll put another question there.
It's going to be a mic release, or actually
my favourite.
Or 360.
Wow.
You're going to get Rashid in.
That's my
release.
favourite thing to try and learn. All right, okay, we're gonna basically hop into a little tutorial. Lauren kindly is going to show us a bit of footwork and maybe a nice little release. I know you guys have been itching to learn this kind of stuff on this channel, of course, and I've been itching to not show it to you. So we've got the best person in the house, best person in the world, to be fair, to try and teach this to me.
I'm going to get Rashid doing the running man.
Running man, we're gonna stick. All right, I think I might be able to do that one. All right, we're gonna set up the little tutorial right now, guys, and that's gonna be another video. The beaded rope has been summoned. First time we're using beaded rope on the channel, guys. Funny enough, we've got a beaded rope that's not out here yet. Money rope 2. All white edition beaded rope. Using a beaded rope, I don't want to. Just joking. You less footwork. Yeah.
See that bit? You're going faster than me, aren't you?
I'm trying to keep up with you.
More to the side, that's it. That's it, that's quite good.
I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Let's get the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace. Cool.
There's the vlog as well.
Oh man, the vlog is back, bruv. Rate that out of 10, man.
On a funny level, it was 10, bro. It was great to see you stressing out.
You know what?
You worked hard.
I've got to say, she's fucking amazing.
Smashed it.
She's seriously amazing. But that's a serious workout. I will actually go to the gym and I'll remember some of those moves. I'll give it. I don't want to. To be fair,
believe it when I see
the
it.
gym might need to be empty. How you finding it so far? 2 videos done, 2 tutorials.
Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm
Well,
impressed
well,
with
we just
your techers.
yeah, with techers. We just finished up the release video. What do you think?
Pretty good. You managed to catch it.
7 out of 10 you gave me?
Yeah.
On video? Are you being kind?
No, I think
The
for
teaching was really good. I must say,
first
by the way,
timer,
the teacher was good. I caught the rope. I didn't hit my head. I think she's being kind, guys. But you'll see it. Let me know what you think. We're gonna get her to do some really fire, epic moves now. And let's do that now. All right. Whoa. That was sick. Guys, you're seeing some wizardry right now, man. Fucking hell. Wow. Nathan, watch your head, man. Yes! Boop, boop, boop. Bam! Too sick. Too sick!
good. That's good fun.
Someone's here.
What flavour did you get?
I've got a vanilla milkshake.
How's your diet, by the way?
It's alright. It's balanced, very balanced. The
Only
thing is, I
massive.
just move a lot. I don't really have to worry too much.
This is a good thing about skipping, peeps.
Yeah.
And you do a bit of CrossFit, you do a bit of gym.
But it's more.
Moderation.
I don't need to worry about eating too much and gaining weight as such, but I just need to feel good. So
Yeah.
that's where I have to
get the
be
right balance.
careful. Yeah.
You got the right balance there.
Yeah.
Gotta drop you some gifts. Alright. It suits you with like the hat and the look.
Yeah.
I feel like this would be more your style. It's cool.
I'm really happy with it. I'm so impressed with this, guys.
Thanks, man. We try.
Really impressed.
We try. We're gonna try our best. 8:20, guys. You've been filming for quite a long time. She's taught me a lot of cool things. How's your day?
I've had a great time. It's been really fun.
Yeah?
We'll have to do it
Would
again.
you do it again?
Definitely.
Top girl, guys. I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. Thank you for coming down. You've been a legend.
Thanks for having me.
This girl's skill in real life is probably one of the best things I've ever seen when it comes to a rope. But no, honestly, in the flesh, it's insane. It's proper insane. Go check her out if you haven't. I know, again, you probably know who she is. She shared her story today. You enjoyed the podcast?
Yeah, that was great. Juicy.
Really
Juicy.
cool. Yeah, juicy. Really cool story. And this is what we love to like show, promote on this channel. Just good humans doing good things for the world of skipping and getting more people flying. I'm gonna see you next time soon.
Yeah, definitely.
Come down soon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want to see people or more people like Lauren, drop me a comment. Leave if you know anyone out there, someone in the UK, someone around the world. Who would you like to see me collab with next? We'll get it done for you. Guys, you've been amazing. Say bye, Lauren.
See you later.
All right, take care. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.